Hey YouTube, this is NJ Fullwater 5, and I guess I'm going to be doing a Bluetooth speaker, and I'm going to be doing a little bit different than I normally do. Usually I have all my parts and pieces laid out, and I show everybody, you know, hey, this is what I'm going to be building, this is what I'm going to be using, we're going to throw it all together. But I was approached by a company named, I think they're called Arylic, Arylic. I hope I'm not murdering their name. They approached me and they seen some of the speakers I built, and they asked me if I would review their product and you know, to show it to my viewers. So I got to doing some research on the product, quite blown away by the specs on their product. They're very competitive. The pricing can be pretty competitive with Dayton Audio. They're not the cheapest, but they're not the most expensive. They've sent me two variants of their product. They sent me an amp slash Bluetooth board slash Wi-Fi and some other stuff. I'll get into that here in a sec. And then they sent me just a Bluetooth board with you know, the slash Wi-Fi and all that other good stuff. I haven't opened up the package yet. This is the package they sent me. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna take a look at the product, and then we'll go from there. I'll decide how I'm going to build it, what I'm going to build, and I'll add all my parts and pieces that way. But we want to build it around their product, and from what I see, the specs look pretty promising. That's a nice little box, good protection. This was probably the Bluetooth one, and this is probably the Bluetooth slash amp. Power supply 12 to 26, like most of them. This one is called the Up2Stream Amp 2.0 Wi-Fi Bluetooth 5.0 HiFi Stereo Amplifier Board by Arylic Amp 2.0. The cost on Amazon right now is $69, free shipping if you got Prime. It looks like it's got Wi-Fi, AirPlay, DLNA, multi-room, Bluetooth 5.0. This one has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, what I just read, and this is a big power amplifier. It says the speaker power, two 50-watt speakers into 4-ohm load would give you, it looks like it can handle two 50-watt speakers at 4-ohm load at 21 volts. Two 30-watt speakers at 8-ohm load at 24 volts, and two 15-watt 8-ohm loads at 15 volts. The power is 12 to 26. The network Wi-Fi Ethernet RJ45 has actually got one in the back of it. Speaker impedance 4 to 8 ohms. It says it's 80 by 100 millimeters. Protocols: Spotify, Connect, AirPlay, DNLA, and UPN. App name 2.0 I guess there's an app that we're going to have to download with this once we get it going. It says the Up2Stream Amp 2.0 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth stereo amplifier board streams the music wirelessly from all kinds of sources without distant limitation in high quality and audio high quality. The Up2Stream stereo amplifier board is great for music enthusiasts to build their own wireless audio systems or upgrade their existing regular audio systems to be Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. And then it gives the specs again. I'll probably throw up some screenshots right after this quick, you know, pause or whatever you want to call it, so you could see how they have their setup online. I'll also leave the link in the description. I don't get no kickbacks from it, guys, so go ahead and click it. We'll see how this thing reacts with the Bluetooth build. So let's open this up real quick. Looks like make review, get refund 15 to 50%. Looks like it comes with it's kind of an explanation of the parameters. Okay, as you can see, that looks like the build quality is pretty spot on. Comes with an extended Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna. Looks like an RBG, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pin on the LED, so of course we'll have to desolder that and put that someplace else. I explained to him that this was going to be DIY, so more than likely there's going to be a little bit of soldering. Hopefully, I'm going to try not to solder too much on this board. Here's the pinouts. It looks like it's got, like I said, an RJ5. Let's see. 12 is a LAN. USB 2.0. There should be a reset somewhere. Here, oh, I see it right there. It's a little tiny long button. That's the out for the speakers, power in, speaker in. Back here, number 3. Looks like number 3 is going to be line out, right and left. And that should be it. 5. LED is Wi-Fi, which is white. Bluetooth will turn blue. USB red line in is green. So yeah, it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. And then the amp IC. I don't want to take that off. I'm going to ask these guys what they're using. I'm hoping that I can get a little bit more information. I sent her an email and asked her if she could give me a heads up. But you know, based on these specs, they look pretty close to the ones that I normally use. The what are they called? The 3110s. The oh man, I'm gonna have to put that down in the bottom of the screen. But build quality looks amazing. Bluetooth looks nice. Link play. And you get it, 69 bucks, and it looks like you get really good quality on the board. Doesn't look like most of the stuff I've seen out there. Even the back looks good. Alrighty. I mean, gold contacts. I bet you this thing sounds amazing. I can't wait to build. Looks like a connector. I believe this is the connector that goes to the amp that you're using. I'll have to find an amp that has that on there. Oh yeah, that looks great. And this is just a Bluetooth board. Alright, so we'll start off with their site. This one is called an Up2Stream Pro-WiFi Bluetooth 5.0 HiFi audio receiver board, Arylic D5. I sure hope I'm not butchering the name, guys. This one says, update your speakers, adding Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 wireless streaming capabilities to your current speaker, home stereo, or receiver. No distant limitation. Stream high quality music without compression via your home network without distance limitations. Huge music source. Integrated in the app. Spotify, Deezer. See, the app I guess we're going to use, and the app's probably going to have all these, you know, other stuff. Spotify, Heart Radio. I'll probably end up using iHeartRadio because that's what I normally use. App in iOS and Android supports play music from USB, NAS, phone storage, multi-room, multi-zone. Playing different music in different rooms, play same music in sync in all rooms. See, that's one thing good about these. If you buy multiple of these, you can play these probably in stereo and sync. Looks like this doesn't come with the extensions. I might have to hit them up on that, because in the picture it actually has them in there. There's a chance that these got taken out. I'll have to hit them up on that, see if they'll send me the antennas before I build this part, because it looks like the antennas are important, especially when they have the two there, and in the one in their description they have two. I'll leave screenshots and stuff too after this part of the video. Up2Stream Pro Wi-Fi and Bluetooth HiFi audio receiver. This one has Wi-Fi, AirPlay, DLNA, multi-room Bluetooth. You can use Deezer, GoBuzz, or is it QBuzz, Spotify, Tidal, and iHeartRadio. It's a Wi-Fi audio receiver plus Bluetooth audio receiver plus DLNA audio receiver plus AirPlay audio receiver plus multi-room audio receiver. And it says the app is called 2.0 Power supply needs to be 5-volt 1 amp. Bluetooth 5.0. Network Wi-Fi or LAN. SNR 91 dB. THD/0.03%. Sample rate 24-bit. 192 hertz. Says it's 75 by 50 millimeters. And the audio jack is 3.5. Output and auxiliary. It says stream music wirelessly via network from all kinds of sources without distant limitations and in high quality. Up2Stream 2 Pro is a perfect hardware for music lovers to build or upgrade traditional stereo audio system in a modern hi-fi smart wireless audio system. Stream music via network or Bluetooth. Stream music without compression. Gives a kind of a quick look at the app. The cost of this one is 49 cents, with Prime on free shipping. I'll leave that link down in the description too. And like I said, we'll have to figure out a build for this one. I'll have to find an amp that's compatible with it. Gotta look at these. It looks like number one is an external LED key. External LED key, Wi-Fi LED, Bluetooth LED, USB LED. Wow, that's weird. I guess you plug in something in there to show the LEDs. Number two is the ISD out, and that looks like it goes to, that looks like the speaker connection to your amp. Number three, I guess they have LEDs back here too, and you can see how they're kind of connected. You can see how they're kind of connected to the pins. 4 is Bluetooth, no antenna, so we're gonna have to ask them about the antenna. 6 is 5.0 in. It looks like 7 could be micro USB. 8 is line out. 9 is line in. 10 is Wi-Fi reset, and that's back there again. USB and Ethernet. Alright, so this video is getting kind of long, but I just wanted to introduce you guys to these people. I'm going to leave their 2 links that I have for their product down in the description. Everything I've seen so far, these things look amazing. They've all got high ratings. They're a new company. So like I said, if you have any questions about any of this stuff that I have right here, just go ahead and leave them in the comment section. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will check you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll be building Bluetooth speakers with this one.